Okay, here's a 360 view of the SkyTender. Everything is self-contained within. So now you can kind of see the front. You can see a few of our corporate sponsors. And the drink delivery system there, along with the user interface. And moving around now, we can see two of the sensors with the status LEDs. And the back has an identical drink delivery system here. It is painted in Purdue colors, the gold racing stripe. There's some handles for easy maneuverability. Alright, I'm going to describe the UI here just a little bit. You can see here you can select a number of different drinks by just touching the screen. You can choose to dispense a drink by clicking dispense drink and then saying yes or no. I'm going to say no. You can choose to skip a number of people in the row. So for the actual purposes we chose 3 in each side of the row, and for our demo we're using 2. So I'm going to skip the first person and then second person, and then I'm going to choose a drink. So I'm going to choose Sprite. It's going to be pouring here. I'm going to choose dispense and say yes. So it's just about finished here. Now it says finish serving row, and it wants to know if we're ready to move. So now I'm going to move the row. And that's the object detection system. You can see it still says we have, if you move it a little closer, you can see we can drive 50.16%.
It's right there, the percentage left. So let me just say finish driving. So now it's moved to full row. Ready to dispense the next drink. I'll pick a Coke. Dispense drink. So starting off it's pouring syrup and carbonated water, and it's finishing with just carbonated water. So there's the Coke, and we'll skip the next 2 seats. So we're ready to move. Yes.
Okay, I'm going to select cranberry juice. Going to hit dispense drink. Yes. You can see it starts off with cranberry juice and water, and then it goes straight to water. And there we are.